Embarking on the journey to discover the nutritional world, especially when it revolves around managing diabetes, always unearths a plethora of fascinating and sometimes surprising information. Engaging in a low-carb diet has been a beacon of hope for many diabetics, aiding in maintaining a stable blood sugar level and ensuring that the tumultuous tide of glucose spikes and crashes is well mitigated. However, beneath the surface of the seemingly benign low-carb foods lurks a potential danger, especially for those who have to keep a vigilant eye on their glycemic control. Before we continue, if you appreciate all the information and the research that goes into making a video like this, it does help out tremendously if you hit the like button and hit subscribe. Thank you, and let's begin. Beneath the umbrella term of low-carb foods, there exists a vast array of options, each with its unique nutritional profile and impact on our bodies. It's essential to tread lightly and be armed with knowledge, as some of these foods might be clandestine culprits, harboring potential risks for diabetics. Let's embark on this exploratory journey together, uncovering the top 10 low-carb foods that might just be cloaked adversaries for those managing diabetes. Beginning with number 10, we unveil a popular snack often touted for its low carbohydrate content: popcorn. Now, the plot twist here lies in the fact that while popcorn is lower in carbs compared to other snacks, it has a relatively high glycemic index, GI. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition delineates how foods with a high GI, like popcorn, can lead to rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, a scenario that is far from ideal for individuals with diabetes. A twirl and a twist later, we stumble upon number 9, tomatoes. Now, tomatoes, with their juicy red allure, are a staple in many a dish, providing a burst of flavor and color. However, a study by the Glycemic Index Foundation reveals a startling insight. Tomatoes, especially cherry tomatoes, have a GI that can oscillate between medium to high, implying that consuming them might just send those sugar levels on an uninvited roller coaster ride. Gliding smoothly into the number 8 spot, we encounter dairy, with a spotlight on milk. A study in the Journal of Nutrition enlightens us that despite being low carb, milk can have a significant impact on insulin response. It's this sneaky insulinogenic effect that requires diabetics to approach dairy with caution, ensuring that it doesn't stealthily impact blood sugar levels. Number 7 invites us to delve into the world of fruits, specifically melons and pineapples. A research article from the British Journal of Nutrition elucidates that while these fruits might be relatively low carb compared to other fruity counterparts, their high sugar content can potentially derail the blood sugar stability that is paramount for diabetics. Sauntering into the number 6 spot, we unearth a fact about onions that might just bring a tear to your eye. Onions, while being a flavor powerhouse, contain sugars that, according to a study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, can impact blood glucose levels, especially when consumed in larger quantities. Then comes number 5, nuts, specifically cashews. Nuts are often hailed as a diabetic-friendly snack, but cashews might just be the exception to the rule. According to a study in the journal Diabetes Care, cashews, being higher in carbohydrates than other nuts, can potentially cause unexpected elevations in blood sugar, warranting a cautious approach to consumption. Navigating to number 4, we uncover the hidden secrets of sweeteners like honey and agave nectar. These natural sweeteners, often perceived as healthy, can, according to research in the Journal of Diabetes Science and Technology, trigger notable spikes in blood glucose and should be used sparingly and with caution by diabetics. As we edge closer to the top of our list, occupying the number 3 spot are root vegetables, particularly carrots and beets. The American Diabetes Association emphasizes that while they are nutritious, their higher carb content compared to other vegetables might necessitate mindful portion control to avoid inadvertent sugar spikes. Landing gracefully at number 2 are oats. Oats, despite being a healthier grain option, can still impact blood sugar levels. Research in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition underscores the importance of choosing steel-cut oats over instant variants to ensure a lower GI and a more stable blood sugar response. And finally, the grand revelation at number 1, dried fruits, such as raisins and dates. While they are often touted for their health benefits, a study from the journal Nutrition and Diabetes unveils that dried fruits, being concentrated sources of sugars, can significantly impact blood glucose and insulin response, making them a risky choice for diabetics. Managing diabetes effectively often involves monitoring carbohydrate intake to help regulate blood sugar levels. Here are 7 of the best low-carb foods for diabetes. Non-starchy vegetables such as leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, zucchini, and bell peppers are excellent choices for people with diabetes. They are low in carbohydrates, high in fiber, and packed with essential vitamins and minerals. These vegetables have a minimal impact on blood sugar and can be consumed in generous amounts. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are lower in carbohydrates compared to other fruits. They are also rich in fiber, antioxidants, and vitamins, making them a diabetes-friendly choice. Berries can be added to yogurt or oatmeal, or enjoyed as a healthy snack. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds, are low in carbohydrates and high in healthy fats, fiber, and protein. These foods can help stabilize blood sugar levels and provide a sense of fullness, making them great options for snacks or adding to salads and smoothies. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent sources of protein and healthy fats, including omega-3 fatty acids. These fats can improve insulin sensitivity and help manage blood sugar levels. Incorporating fatty fish into your diet may reduce the risk of heart disease, a common concern for people with diabetes. Greek yogurt is a protein-rich, low-carb dairy option that is lower in sugar compared to some other yogurt varieties. The protein content in Greek yogurt can help stabilize blood sugar levels and promote a feeling of fullness. Choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt and add fresh berries or a drizzle of honey for natural sweetness. Eggs are a fantastic source of protein and healthy fats, while being extremely low in carbohydrates. They are versatile and can be prepared in various ways, such as scrambled, boiled, or as omelets. The protein in eggs can help stabilize blood sugar levels and provide a sense of fullness, making them an ideal breakfast option for those with diabetes. Cauliflower is a versatile and low-carb vegetable that can be used as a substitute for high-carb foods. It can be mashed as a lower-carb alternative to mashed potatoes, or blended into cauliflower rice as a substitute for traditional rice. This journey through the top 10 low-carb foods that hold potential dangers for diabetics shines a light on the importance of nuanced knowledge when it comes to managing diabetes through diet. It's crucial to approach each food with a discerning eye, ensuring that beneath the veneer of low-carb lies a choice that is genuinely conducive to maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Remember, managing diabetes effectively is not solely about carbohydrate content, but involves a holistic approach to diet, considering factors like the glycemic index, nutritional content, and individual blood sugar response. Always approach dietary changes with curiosity, backed by knowledge, and in consultation with a healthcare professional to ensure that your path is both safe and tailored to your unique needs.